Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you a install that we've done on a Vauxhall Corsa. If you're from overseas, obviously it's the Opel. So this is our TC range, which basically comes with Android 12. Now, if you're looking at the difference between colour of our radio on the dash, only reason being is because it's a work car. See a little bit of dust there, so as you see, does come in a gloss black finish, as you can see there. So obviously this is the main home page. You can change the interface page if you want, which is a good thing with this system here. It needs to be on online at present here, but as you can see, there's a lot of different screen changes that you can change on this one here if you wanted to. But as I say, this is on the default setting at the moment. This is Google Maps, which is pre-installed onto the system. It also has your Bluetooth here, which you pair your phone book to. There's your radio. As you can see, it's RDS with the radio station name is there. Also a good feature is, if you don't really notice there, it shows you the this is where we are, Bebington. This is where we are, and obviously the temperature today. So it's got an online temperature presence. Just going to the application side here. It's got a few apps there which you can see: APK installer, and Bluetooth, boot animation, car settings, which will basically, this one would control this here. So obviously you can change things on the BC. So if I was to change something here, so just change the CD and settings, and as I'm pressing the buttons down there, things are changing. So obviously this is a good additional to the system. You've got Google Chrome on there, and obviously File Manager, Google Maps, the Play Store is built in. This obviously does pair with this here, obviously what station you're in, so it does have CAN bus support to support the LCD screen. Also, as you can see, let me just one moment, I'll just do the volume on the steering wheel. As you can see, the volume's going up and down with the steering wheel, and it's also got change the radio stations for 1, 2 on the steering wheel. That also works. So I'd say full CAN bus support with it. This one here is your CarPlay and your Android Auto app. This one's a DVR app and also a YouTube app. So yeah, pretty much if you like any questions on it, give us a shout, and I'll be quite happy to answer your questions. Thanks very much.